God knew you needed to hear this. After reading the entire Bible twice, I'm shocked. I realized something crazy that nobody talks about. From Genesis to Revelation, it's become clear to me that we don't have anything to worry about. Not because life is easy, not because everything will go our way, but because every single page in this book points to a God who is in control. There is nothing in your life that is outside of God's control, and He promised He's working all things together for your good. God promised that He's not only with you, He's for you, and if He is for you, it doesn't matter who or what is against you. If the sea couldn't stop Moses, a giant couldn't stop David, the grave couldn't stop Jesus, then nothing and no one can stop you or God's plan for your life, because my God is unstoppable. I can do all things, ain't nothing impossible. I see opportunity, not an obstacle. They try to stop me, but they didn't start me though. I don't get worried about nothing, it's not my home. I was a prodigal, my father brought me home. I don't fear nothing, my faith is in God alone. Jesus died for me and saved me, that's all I know.